Howdy folks, today I decided I was going to build a soap dish or sponge dish for the sink. So pretty easy, right? Just did a perimeter here that was about 3.5 by or 4.5 by 5.5. Cut on the outside, built a pocket in the middle, down to about half the depth, a little over a half inch. And then for the grooves, I found this equal spacing add-on that's part of Easel. Spaced them vertically. You just select them first, it spaces them out. So this is red oak, 19 by 9, about a little over 0.825. These are the cut settings. Pretty quick. I don't know. I'm on the fence as to whether or not I'm being too cautious. The rest is kind of irrelevant here. Just make sure your ramp in is vertical. One mistake I made is I couldn't figure out how to not cut these tabs. Anyway, I'll just sand them off later. It'll be fine. So, grabbed some oak, ran it through the planer. Super easy, just milled it down. This planer's underpowered. Took quite a few passes, but that's why it's 825 and not 3/4. Checked it in the CNC. I would like to understand a better way to improve the pathing to make this more, I don't know, quick, I guess, speedy, I don't know. Anyway, cut it out, super easy. Then took it over to the sander like I was telling you to get those tabs sanded off. Took almost no time. And then since my trim is set perfectly, I had to sand these lines out after I plugged it in twice. And yeah, sanded those out and then went around the perimeter with some 220. Got all the grooves. And that was it. Didn't take much time at all. Soaked it in mineral oil and then coated it in some beeswax and mineral oil mixture. And yeah, came out looking pretty good, I think. So, see you next time.